Welcome to the vlog, guys. We officially have the new phone. iPhone 11 Pro. Wow. It looks good on the phone. We'll have to see how it comes out. Next video. Alright. Back at the apartment. I got a lot of stuff to bring up. I want to try out my new tripod. Yes. Can you hear this? Somebody's getting into it. Yeah, this isn't all the stuff I was gonna take out. I already made 2 trips with water and such. I wonder if this is better for the handheld. Do the wide angle. This tripod's nifty too. Good boy. Time to carry this beast up. There's definitely a better way to carry this. There's 3 flights of steps down. Only 1 more to go. In the apartment. Some pretty good packaging. I'll tell you what. Right here. Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna do it for today's vlog, guys. This actually looks like real weird. It's almost creepy. This 2-tone wall behind me. Sweating a little bit. Got a little hot. We're gonna check out and see what the quality and audio is like on the new iPhone. Got the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max. I'm not in enough to get the big phone yet, but yeah. Pumped about it, and pumped to make some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't like that. There we go. That'll do.